All right, so I've got this trigonometric graph, and I can read off the graph four clear points: 0, -1, pi over 3, 0, pi 3, 5 pi over 3, and 0. All right, so these are four very clear points on the graph, and I want to find the equation of this graph. As I can tell from the values of x, the graph is in radians. Yes, it's not in degrees. So let's see how we work this out. We go into menu, and this time around we choose the steps menu. In list 1 we enter the values of x, and list 2 we enter the values of y. So I've got 4 points. The first x is 0. The second one is pi over 3, shift pi over 3. The third one is pi, shift pi. And the fourth one is 5 pi over 3. 5 pi over 3. Execute that. And now I move into in list 2, where I enter the y values, which are -1, 0, 3, and 0. All right. Now I want to graph that. Graph 1. And I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 points plotted. I want to calculate. This is not a quadratic. I'm not looking for a median. This is not a cubic. So I go on. It looks like from the graph, it looks like a sine function. So I select sine, and I've got a generic formula: y equals a sine brackets bx plus c plus d. All right. And now I see that a is almost 2, so I can consider it being 2. B is 1. C is -1.57. And D is 1. All right. Now let's have a look at the actual equation. The actual equation is y equals 2, so a is 2, sine of x, the coefficient of x is 1, minus 3 pi over 6. 3 pi over 6 is 1.57, yeah, plus d1. And that is my equation. And that was it. All we need to do now is write this equation with the corresponding coefficients. And remember, we can round this to 2, round this to 1, this one to -1.57, maybe -1.71, and the d to 1. And that's my equation. Thank you for watching.